Welcome to Amazing 7. And today we are counting down our picks for the 7 Asia's biggest future skyscrapers by 2030. Skyscrapers hold immense importance in urban landscapes worldwide, symbolizing architectural innovation, economic prosperity, and urban development. In Asia, where rapid urbanization is a prominent trend, skyscrapers play a pivotal role in addressing the challenges of limited space and accommodating growing populations. By 2030, Asia is poised to host some of the world's most impressive skyscrapers, showcasing the region's ambitions and architectural prowess. Today, the tall commercial skyscraper is a potent maker. Only huge cities have the resources to build and support extremely tall buildings. As the countries in Southeast Asia developing their economy, they also start to build skyscrapers. Recently, some cities have skyscrapers over 400 meters under construction and expected to be finished around 2030. Number 7. Nexus Tower. Nexus Tower is poised to become Asia's most prominent skyscraper by the year 2030. This architectural marvel is set to redefine the skyline of a major Asian city, symbolizing the fusion of cutting-edge design and sustainable urban development. Towering over its surroundings, it will be a testament to human ingenuity and ambition, boasting a remarkable height and a sleek, futuristic facade. With its innovative features, including state-of-the-art green technologies and awe-inspiring panoramic views, Nexus Tower is destined to become an iconic landmark, capturing the imagination of residents and visitors alike, and setting a new standard for sustainable vertical living in the bustling cities of Asia. Number 6. Golden Finance 117. Golden Finance 117 is a towering testament to architectural ambition and innovation, poised to become one of the Asia's largest future skyscraper by the year 2030. Nestled amidst the urban landscape, this magnificent edifice is a symbol of human endeavor, reaching new heights both figuratively and literally. Designed to touch the heavens, it will stand as a beacon of economic progress and modernity. With its sleek, modern design and soaring height, Golden Finance 117 is set to redefine the skyline, offering breathtaking panoramic views and setting a new standard for vertical living. As we approach 2030, this skyscraper promises to be a marvel of engineering, a testament to human achievement, and a landmark that will capture the imagination of generations to come. Number 5. Grand Rama 9. Grand Rama 9 is also poised to become one of Asia's largest and most iconic skyscraper by the year 2030. Located in the heart of Bangkok, Thailand, this architectural marvel is set to redefine the city's skyline with its visionary design and towering height. Grand Rama 9 will stand as a symbol of modernity and progress. Its cutting-edge technology, sustainable features, and state-of-the-art facilities will not only provide a breathtaking visual spectacle but also offer a glimpse into the future of urban living. As a beacon of innovation and sophistication, Grand Rama 9 is destined to be a testament to human achievement and a testament to the limitless possibilities of architectural excellence in the 21st century. Number 4. Signature Tower Jakarta. The Signature Tower Jakarta is become one of Asia's most prominent skyscraper by the year 2030. This towering architectural marvel is set to redefine the Jakarta skyline, standing as a symbol of city's growth and progress. With its innovative design and cutting-edge technology, the Signature Tower Jakarta will not only reach impressive heights but also offer a sustainable and functional space for various purposes. Its significance extends beyond its sheer size, as it will likely become a hub for business, commerce, and culture, contributing to the economic and cultural landscape of not just Jakarta but the entire region. As a testament to modern engineering and urban development, this skyscraper embodies the aspirations of a dynamic and forward-thinking Asia. Number 3. Merdeka PNB 118. Merdeka PNB 118 is poised to be Asia's most ambitious and awe-inspiring skyscraper project by the year 2030. Located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, this iconic structure represents not only a remarkable feat of architectural engineering but also a symbol of the nation's progress and aspirations. Standing at an astonishing height of 678 meters, 2,224 feet, the Merdeka PNB 118 is set to dominate the skyline, redefining the cityscape. Designed with cutting-edge sustainable technologies and innovative design, it is not just a monument of height but also of eco-consciousness. The tower will serve as a mixed-use development, housing offices, luxury residences, hotels, and retail spaces, making it a vibrant hub of activity as it nears completion. Merdeka PNB 118 will undoubtedly stand as a testament to Malaysia's vision and determination to reach new heights in the world of architecture and urban development. Number 2. Shimao Shenzhen Hong Kong International Center. The Shimao Shenzhen Hong Kong International Center, expected to be one of Asia's largest future skyscraper by 2030, is a visionary architectural marvel poised to redefine the skylines of Shenzhen and Hong Kong. This ambitious project represents the epitome of modern urban development, boasting cutting-edge design and engineering anticipated to unprecedented heights. The Shimao Center will not only serve as a symbol of technological advancement, but also as a hub for commerce, culture, and luxury living. With its strategic location bridging two dynamic cities, it will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in the economic and social fabric of the region, setting new standards for vertical urban living in the 21st century. This iconic skyscraper is destined to become a testament to human innovation and a beacon of progress in the bustling heart of Asia. Number 1. Jeddah Tower. Jeddah Tower, set to become largest skyscraper by 2030, is an architectural marvel currently under construction in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. This towering structure is poised to redefine the city's skyline and stand as a symbol of modernity and ambition. Once completed, Jeddah Tower is expected to reach unprecedented heights, surpassing all other skyscrapers in Asia. Designed by renowned architect Adrian Smith, it will ascend to well over a kilometer in height, showcasing cutting-edge engineering and design. This ambitious project reflects Saudi Arabia's commitment to urban development and economic diversification, making Jeddah Tower a beacon of progress in the region and a testament to human ingenuity in the realm of skyscraper construction. Peace.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.